This is top of the line, man. You can't get no better than this. For a more higher end system, you're gonna pay premium dollar for it, but the energy savings alone will pay for the system over the life of it.
What's up, Big Kyle? How we doing?
We getting it. New furnace is in place, air purification's in place, coils in place. We about to fit the copper up. Once we get the inside fitted up, we already flushed the line sets out, get all the residue and everything out of them. We're gonna fit the inside up, go outside, fit the outside up. That way Derek could solder outside while we're purging with nitrogen. I could solder at the same time on the inside while we're purging with nitrogen. That way everything gets taken care of at once. Then we can put it on a vacuum and finish the ductwork and the heat, and that's it.
All right, later.
Time to have fun.